Hello there, welcome to my channel. So this video is about onions and when and how to pot them on. If they're looking like this and these are grown from seeds, then now is the time to pot them on, and you're looking to plant them out around about mid-April. So these are Santero. I do have problems with Whiterot, so these Whiterot resistant, so last year was pretty good, and I've still got loads and loads of onions left in my garage, so they store well as well. So I'll show you what I do. So my setup is I've got all my modules sorted out, the compost is warmed up, so it's all ready to transfer. So I have a micro rhizal rooter in there, bacteria, so it's from Envy. So I shall get a seedling out. Let's get this one out here. Obviously be careful when you do prick it out, careful not to damage the stem. So it's like that, so you've got a long root and a long stem. So all I do, trim the root, trim the top, so you're left with that. I'll dip it in mycorrhizal and I'll pop it in a module. So it's that, so it's not flopping over. So every time you trim your onion, it will create another leaf. So in theory, the onion will become bigger. Now I've tried that, so I've tried trimming when they've been planted out. It hasn't really worked. It does produce more leaves, so it should actually make the bulb bigger. But what made my bulbs bigger is pushing down the soil around the bulb, so the more bulbs exposed, so it hasn't got any resistance. So that's worked for me. So let's get another seedling out. As you can see, this is quite a floppy one, so I trim the root. So that should recover. Right, so I'll crack on with this and then catch you later. So the first tray finished. Obviously it takes a while, it's quite finicky doing it this way, but I like it. I prefer it to set. You can have a lot more onions for your dollar, and they're just much more successful against leaf miner and white rot. So leave them now, and as they grow taller you can just keep on trimming them, and this will obviously give them more leaves and allegedly makes a bigger bulb. So there we go.